and happy Onam to each one of you, I should say. I think another festival is also there. Eid. Right. Happy Onam and happy Eid to all of us as we celebrate every festival at VPS. So let me wish you all happy Onam, happy Eid, and of course happy Teachers Day to all the teachers sitting here, and happy Teachers Day to all the children sitting at the back. Because one day you will be teacher for somebody. If you are not teaching here as a profession, still you will be teaching somebody in the life. Right? So happy Teachers Day. And yes, we have our alumni here, Bhumit and Ravdi. Thank you for being here and making us feel very special. Thank you so much. And before I start something, first let me thank the students who have presented this beautiful Teachers Day celebration for us. Thank you, and yes, a big round of applause for them. I think this day we feel special sitting on the other side, watching, doing nothing and enjoying the games. But definitely when you are calling teachers for the game, I think they must be thinking, will I be able to do or not? And बच्चों के सामने परफॉर्मेंस मेरा कैसा होगा, वो डर होता होगा उनको. But I should say that now they have to become like that. I don't know. Teacher को ये डर क्यों लगता है? Because teacher always thinks I know everything. Yes or no? And I cannot be wrong. That is always in the mind of the teacher. So I would just tell teachers that just sit on a chair of I don't know or I want to know. If these two things we have in our life, I think we will not be scared or worried. Yes or no? And our minds will be open like parachute. I keep on telling that. So yes, so children, you had put up that fear in teachers' mind, but definitely after today, they'll remember two sentences. What are those? I want to know. And now this is not only for teachers, for each one of us. I don't know and I want to know. If we have that, then we will have that wow factor in our life and we'll be able to know more and know more. Right? So thank you, and I know today I don't have to give a lot of lecture, but empowering educators for sustainable future is the theme of this year, 2025. And so teachers sitting here, I know at Vapi Public School and Lead the Way to Grow, our teachers are empowered well. Do you agree? You have to work more than the other school teachers? Yes? So I can see that few faces nodding yes. But because of that, teachers, you are giving your time, management is investing money, and the leadership team is really after giving the best to the teachers, empowering teachers at VPS and LEAD, we are able to move ahead. And today I am proud that we are one of the best schools, definitely in Valsad district, and now I can see people know us in Gujarat and other states also. So this would not have been possible without the contribution of teachers. And today let me tell you all that management also has wished you Happy Teachers Day, and they have thanked you for raising our children on the right way. Thank you so much from the management, from myself, and be an inspiration for others, so that when you have this in mind, you will be walking the talk. I always say walk the talk. जो बोलते हो वो करो. बोलना कुछ अलग और करना कुछ अलग वो नहीं होना चाहिए for a teacher, right? For everyone, but at least for teachers, we are the role models for children. And wishing you all once again Happy Teachers Day. Keep empowering yourself and don't wait for the school to arrange some training for you. See to it that way I can get trained. What can I do? let me congratulate Ankita ma'am. She completed her leadership in school management program. So she found out some gaps. We all do that. We find out that there are some gaps in us, our working. We feel we need to empower ourselves. So keep learning, and that is how I wish that all teachers please analyze yourself and empower yourself by getting into some courses or whatever is your interest, right? Another thing is, two things for everyone, for my children also and for my teachers also. Please introspect yourself before sleeping. पूरे दिन में हमने क्या किया? Was it right, wrong? Maybe कुछ चीज हमसे गलत हो जाती है, तो say forgive me for this, and next day से हम repeat नहीं करेंगे वो चीज. Am I right? So write a journal. It's called a journal writing. You can do that, and have gratitude note. And gratitude note, I know daily लिखना possible नहीं है इतना सारा, but daily one sentence of gratitude you can write for anybody. I don't write, but I say I am grateful to my health. I am grateful to my driver, because without him I cannot reach here and there on time. Yes or no? So grateful, definitely family, friends, we do it, but we don't do gratefulness for people around us. I always say I am grateful to the peons and Sumita Masi, who serves me, tea, water every moment, and I think whatever they give me on the right time, I am able to maintain my health. I see them coming and telling me, "Ma'am, pani piyo," because I forget to drink water, they remind me. So I always have, gratefulness and gratitude for them too. So please develop that attitude. My humble request that in today's era, people have lost lot of things. Humanity तो काफी चली गई है, उसको वापस लानी है. But grateful and gratitude रहेंगे हम, तो automatic चीजें आ जाएगी. Yes or no? And my dear children, today let me speak about mental health. It is very important, and I know you get angry very soon. But you need to see that how you cool down for that anger. Because today I see many things happening around. It is because the children are not able to control, or any human being is not able to control the mind. And this all cases we were used to see was happening the people of 25-30 years. But now we see children of class 8th, 9th also lose their temper, and they do something which cannot be brought back. Why? Because we are not able to handle our mind. So my request to all my dear children, please learn some techniques. जब भी गुस्सा आता है तो थोड़ा सांस deep लो. And another thing is forgive people. Let go and forgive. That will help us to move ahead in life. Okay, don't hold on to the things. So once again, I hope I have covered everything. Thank you so much, and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Thank you.